How to use Zoom polls during a meeting. So the very first thing that here you need to know is if you are like creating a meeting or if you are hosting a meeting, then you need to enable your polling on your Zoom in order for anyone to use that poll, right? But if you are like going or joining somebody else's meeting, then you have to know that the host should have their polling enabled on that meeting for you to be able to use that. So in here, if you simply get into your homepage and then tap on your profile icon right here, you'll be able to see settings. Tap on that one, and then in here tap on chat, and then from here you'll be able to see the option of polling. So all you need to do is make sure to enable that option, right? So after enabling that option, you can now go back and you can host a meeting or you can join a meeting. But like I said, if you join a meeting, then you need to make sure that the host have their polling enabled, right? So after that, here you can see if you have hosted a meeting, then you can simply go through your chat right here. You'll be able to see a plus icon, tap on that one, and after doing that, you'll be able to see the poll option around here. All you need to do is tap on it, and like that you'll be able to use your Zoom poll during a meeting, and that is it.